If you're wondering how to change the lights on your AEG extractor fan, it's really easy to do. So the first thing you have to do is you have to turn them off at the mains before you start prying here. So you should have a little isolation switch somewhere. In my instance, it's in this cupboard here. So it's just up here, so I'm just going to turn that one off now, and I will see that the lights will go off and then the extractor fan will no longer be able to work. Okay, and now you can see that is completely dead. So it's safe to work on now. So what we're going to do is we're going to get a little screwdriver or something flat, and we're just going to prise down. Around here you can see that there's 3 little indentations, and we just need to go in here and we just need to prise down on each of them. It'll also give you a chance to clean out this glass here, because you'll still get fat and grease stains going up to there. Now I'm going to go put some gloves on. Right, so I've got my gloves on now, because you're not supposed to touch these halogen lights without gloves. So basically all we have to do is grab the bulb and we're going to push it in towards the middle. There's 2 little prongs on it. There we go. Right, these are the bulbs here with the 2 little prongs sticking out off the back of it there. So basically these are G4 and they're 12 volt bulbs, and the maximum you can put in here is 20 watts. So don't exceed that, because then you might cause damage to here. Now in this instance, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually replace them with LED bulbs, which are going to be a lot less wattage, because these are 20 watt, and I'm going to be putting in LED ones that are 1.5 watts. So it will just save a little bit of electricity. So I'm putting a new LED one in there, and then I'm going to clean up this here, and I'm going to place this back in. You can actually separate them into 2 halves, so you can remove the glass. Makes it easier to clean. Okay, the glass is back in here now. It's cleaner than it was, but it's still quite dirty. I'm just going to wipe around here as well. And now I've just got to line up the 3 grooves with these little 3 bits sticking down. And there we go, that one's in there. Let's do the same on this side here. So both of these LEDs together are going to be using 3 watts, while before there was 40 watts going on here. So it's going to use a lot less energy. Right, I'm just going to put the switch back on now, and we'll see if it comes to life. Here goes. And there we go, we got light again now on both of them there. So it's nice and straightforward to swap them over, and it looks like the LED ones are giving off quite a bit of light. I think I'll be happy with them. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you all very soon. Thanks for watching.